Hey everyone, quick question. Can you add these types of surds? So usually if I said to add root 3 plus root 3, what you want to say? It is root 6. Right? No, that is wrong. So here also what you write? You simply write a 12 root 3. This is also wrong. So today I am going to explain it. So how to add, subtract and multiply the surds in the easiest way. Let's decode now. A surd is just a root which cannot be simplified as a nice whole number. So let's take an example. So is it root 4 is a surd? So no, root 4 is not a surd because root 4 can be simplified as 2. It is not a surd. Then is it root 3 is a surd? Yes. Like root 3, root 5, root 7 that cannot be simplified as a nice whole number that we call as surd. So in the whole what we can say, so surds is equal to the rational number. Okay. So let's have. So when it comes to the adding, you treat like they are fruits. Right? Treat has like a mangoes. So one mango plus one mango. You will get 2 mangoes, right? So I can take it as like 1 root 3 plus 1 root 3. So here root 3 is common, right? So 1 plus 1 is 2. Like that also we can add the surds. And here root 5 plus root 3, like 1 mango plus 1 orange. Can you mix that? No, we can't, right? So we will write no change. And let's take for different numbers. So root 5 plus 2 root 5, like 1 mango plus 2 mangoes. We will get 3 mangoes, right? Like root 5 plus 2 root 5 is 3 root 5. So that's it only. Here you just need to remember we can add like terms, not unlike terms. That is the golden rule, right? Subtracting surds. Same rule, you just take a like terms here also. Means you need to subtract the like terms. So what we have? We have root 5 minus root 5. Like same roots, right? So if it is same roots, so this will get cancelled, or we can say like 1 mango minus 1 mango, we can write 0, right? Yes. So here 4 root 5, 2 root 5. We are subtracting 4 minus 2 is what? 2, and what we have the common term? We have root 5. So this is the answer. So let's take different one. So if it is like 7 root 2 minus 3 root 5. So here inside the root numbers are different. We cannot subtract. So no change. Here also rule is only we can combine the like terms, means like terms we can add and we can subtract. That's it. Now multiply the numbers. This is where it gets spicy. Root 3 into root 3. So usually what you write root 3 into root 3, you write root 6. No, this is wrong. So here we have a multiplication, right? So first write the root. What you have inside the number will multiply. 3 3s are 9, right? Then square root of 9 is 3. This is only answer. Or you can type root 3 into root 3 as root 3 whole square. Then square and square root will get cancelled. It will get as 3. So like this also we can do. And if we consider like this, so multiply the outside numbers. What we have outside numbers? 2, 6. So 2, 6 are 12. And multiply the inside numbers. So root 3 we done here. Root 3 whole square is 3. So 12 3s are 36. What if the root numbers are different? Right? So multiply the outside terms. So what we have the outside terms? 3 2s are 6. And multiply the surds inside the terms. 7 5s are 35. So that's our answer. Division of surds. So how to divide the surds? So here we have root 2 and root 2 means we have same term. See, divided means like this, right? So if we have a same like terms, so we can cancel, we will get 1. So here the numbers are different inside the root. So write like this, and you cannot keep the answer like this because denominator we have surd. So for that we need to rationalize this. So rationalization means you need to multiply the number what we have the denominator. Means you need to multiply and divide by that number only. Means root 3 by root 3. Right? So now we can multiply according to multiplication rule. Right? 5 3s are 15 and root 3 whole square is 3. That we know. Easy, right? Yes. Let's clear up some few things. So usually people will mess up. See, root 3 plus root 5. It's not a because we don't have like terms here. So here this is wrong. So no change, right? Yeah. So that only if you have like root 3 plus root 3. So we can add, we can return as like 2 root 3, right? And root 4 plus root 9. Again this also we cannot add. So because we don't have like terms, no change. So here you need to remember. So we can combine like terms. Means we can add and subtract. And along with if it comes to division. In the denominator, if you have a surd, so we should rationalize. If this surds made simpler for you, hit the like button and share it with your friends and family and drop an emoji in the comments. So if you learned something new. So until next time, keep calculating and keep loving maths.